In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Lightning page in Salesforce. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you have all the details you need to navigate smoothly. To start, you'll want to head over to the home page within Salesforce. If you're already logged in, you can find this by navigating to the main dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You'll notice a gear icon. This is the setup icon, and it's your gateway to customizing and configuring your Salesforce environment. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. After clicking the gear icon, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, you'll want to select the Setup option. This will take you to the Setup home page, which is the central hub for all administrative and configuration tasks in Salesforce. Once you're on the Setup page, look for the Quick Find search bar. It's usually located on the upper left side of the screen. This search bar is a powerful tool that allows you to quickly locate various settings and features within Salesforce. In the Quick Find search bar, type in Lightning page. As you start typing, you'll see various options appear in a list below the search bar. The option you're looking for is Lightning App Builder. This is where you can create, edit, and manage your Lightning pages, which are essential for tailoring Salesforce to meet your specific needs. After clicking on Lightning App Builder, you'll be directed to a page listing all your existing Lightning pages. From here, you can choose to open an existing page or create a new one. If you're opening an existing page, simply click on the name of the page you wish to open. This will take you into the Lightning App Builder interface, where you can view and edit the page as needed. Remember, the Lightning App Builder is a versatile tool that allows you to customize the layout and functionality of your pages, helping you create a user-friendly experience tailored to your organization's requirements. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with its features and capabilities to make the most of your Salesforce experience. And there you have it. You've successfully opened a Lightning page in Salesforce. By following these steps, you can easily access and modify your pages, ensuring they meet the unique needs of your business. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful Salesforce tips.